In a parking place, there are 275 scooters and 112 cars. How many vehicles are there in all? Number of scooters is equal to 275. Number of cars is equal to 112. Add the ones. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Write 7 in the ones column. Add tens. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Write 8 in the tens column. Now add the hundreds. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Write 3 in the hundreds column. So total number of vehicles is equal to 387. A fruit seller sold 195 apples, 287 mangoes and 35 bananas. How many fruits did he sell in all? Number of apples is equal to 195. Number of mangoes is equal to 287. Number of bananas is equal to 35. Now add the numbers in the ones column. 5 plus 7 plus 5, that is equal to 17. Write 7 in the ones column and carry over 1 to the tens column. Now add the numbers in the tens column. 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 3, that is equal to 21. Write 1 in the tens column and carry over 2 to the hundreds column. Now add the numbers in the hundreds column. 2 plus 1 plus 2, that is equal to 5. Write 5 in the hundreds column. So the answer is total number of fruits sold is equal to 517. A train compartment is carrying 132 people. Another compartment is carrying 129 people. How many people are there in both the compartments? Number of people in the first compartment is equal to 132. Number of people in the second compartment is equal to 129. By adding the ones, 2 and 9, we get 11. Write 1 in the ones column and carry over 1 to the tens column. Now add the tens. 1 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 6. Write 6 in the tens column. Now add the hundreds. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So write 2 in the hundreds column. So total number of people in both the compartments is equal to 261. In a library, there are 427 storybooks, 152 college books, and 133 engineering books. How many books are there in all? Number of storybooks is equal to 427. Number of college books is equal to 152. Number of engineering books is equal to 133. Add the ones. 7 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 12. Write 2 in the ones column and carry over 1 to the tens column. Now add tens. 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 11. Write 1 in the tens column and carry over 1 to the hundreds column. Now add the hundreds. 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 7. Write 7 in the hundreds column. So total number of books in the library is equal to 712. A tailor bought 125 white buttons and 165 red buttons. How many buttons did the tailor buy? Number of white buttons is equal to 125. Number of red buttons is equal to 165. Add the ones. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Write 0 in the ones column and carry over 1 to the tens column. Now add the tens. 2 plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 9. Write 9 in the tens column. Now add the hundreds. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So, the total number of buttons that the tailor bought is equal to 290. A bookseller supplied 789 Tamil books and 149 English books to a library. How many books did he supply to the library? Number of Tamil books is equal to 789. Number of English books is equal to 149. Add the ones. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. Write 8 in the ones column and carry over 1 to the tens column. Now add the tens. 1 plus 8 plus 4 is equal to 13. Write 3 in the tens column and carry over 1 to the hundreds column. Now add the hundreds. 1 plus 7 plus 1 is equal to 9. Therefore, the total number of books supplied to the library is equal to 938. In a grove, there are 279 coconut trees and 387 mango trees. How many trees are there in the grove? Number of coconut trees is equal to 279. Number of mango trees is equal to 387. Add the ones. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Write 6 in the ones column and carry over 1 to the tens column. Now add the tens. 1 plus 7 plus 8 is equal to 16. Write 6 in the tens column and carry over 1 to the hundreds column. Now add the hundreds. 2 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 6. Therefore, the total number of trees in the grove is equal to 666. In a village, there are 272 men, 231 women, and 211 children. What is the total population of the village? Number of men 271. Number of women 231. Number of children 211. Add the ones. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. Add the tens. 7 plus 3 plus 1 equal to 11. Write 1 in the tens column and carry over 1 to the hundreds column. Add the hundreds. 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, and that is equal to 7. So, the total population of the village is equal to 713. The principal of a school gave 111 medals to those who had done well in sports and 99 medals to those who had done well in tests. Altogether, how many medals did the principal give? Number of medals given for sports is equal to 111. Number of medals given for tests is equal to 99. Add the ones. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Write 0 in the ones column and carry over 1 to the tens column. Add tens. 1 plus 1 plus 9 equal to 11. Write 1 in the tens column and carry over 1 to the hundreds column. Add hundreds. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Total number of medals given were 210. 312 plus 465. Add the ones. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Add the tens. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Add the hundreds. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. The total is 777. 334 plus 432. Add the ones. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Add the tens. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Add the hundreds. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. The total is 766. 576 plus 403. Add the ones. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Add the tens. 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. Add the hundreds. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. And the total is 979. 548 plus 324. Add the ones. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Now write 2 in the ones column and carry over 1 to the tens column. Add the tens. 1 plus 4 plus 2 equal to 7. Add the hundreds. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. And the total is 872. 603 plus 158. Add the ones. 3 plus 8 equal to 11. Write 1 in the ones column and carry over 1 to the tens column. Add the tens. 1 plus 0 plus 5. That is equal to 6. Add the hundreds. 6 plus 1 equal to 7. The total is 761. Now let us add 785 to 129. Add the ones. 5 plus 9 gives us 14. Write 4 in the ones column and carry over 1 to the tens column. Add the tens. 1 plus 8 plus 2 is equal to 11. Write 1 in the tens column and carry over 1 to the hundreds column. Add the hundreds. 1 plus 7 plus 1, and that is equal to 9. So the answer is 914. 180, 465. Add the ones. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Add the tens. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. Write 4 in the tens column and carry over 1 to the hundreds column. Add hundreds. 1 plus 1 plus 4 equal to 6. The total is 645. 410, 295. Add the ones. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Add the tens. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Write 0 in the tens column and carry over 1 to the hundreds column. Add hundreds. 1 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 7. The total is 705. 597, 332. Add ones. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Add the tens. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Write 1 in the tens column and carry over 1 to the hundreds column. Add the hundreds. 1 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 9. The total is 919. 279, 641. Add the ones. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Write 0 in the ones column and carry over 1 to the tens column. Add the tens. 1 plus 7 plus 4 equal to 12. Write 2 in the tens column and carry over 1 to the hundreds column. Add the hundreds. 1 plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 9. The total is 920. 382, 291. Add the ones. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Add the tens. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. Write 7 in the tens column and carry over 1 to the hundreds column. Add the hundreds. 1 plus 3 plus 2 equal to 6. The total is 673.